bike shop kayo, nagdi-distribute din kayo. Ano yung kaibahan or kung meron man, kaibahan ni Orbea na kinikerry nyo? Oy! Andito ako ngayon sa Speed Trail Cycle Center. So, yung iba sa inyo, siguro naman, kilala nyo na to, si Speed Trail. Sa lahat ng mga veterano, sigurado, marami nakakilala sa Speed Trail na dating nasa Del Monte sila. Pero ngayon, lumipat na sila. At dito, i-intro ko muna sa inyo yung kabuuan ng kanilang bagong shop na talaga namang sobrang laki at sobrang dami nyong mabibili sa inyong mga bisikleta. Okay, samahan nyo ako. Papasukin natin at kakausapin natin yung isa sa mga nagmamanage ng Speed Trail Cycle Center. Tara! Pagpasok nyo pa lang dito, syempre, i-intro ko muna sa inyo. Pasok. Ito ang bubungad sa inyo. So, ayun na mga master, nandito ako ngayon sa, gaya na pinakita ko sa inyo kanina, nandito ako ngayon sa Speed Trail Cycle Center. At sa lahat ng mga nakakakilala na nandun sila sa Del Monte, lumipat na sila sa mas malaki, gaya na sinabi ko kanina. At ngayon, makakausap natin ang isa sa pinakabata at syempre gwapong-gwapo. Isa sa mga nagmamanage. At talaga namang siklista rin syempre. Dapat ang mga nagmamanage ng ganito, yung nakakaintindi rin talaga sa bisikleta. At siya mismo nagbibisikleta. Papakilala ko na siya sa inyo. Ayun na! Ayun na, nakita nyo na. Ayun. Si Sir Willard. Sir, papakilala ka.
Hi, my name is Willard Ong. I'm one of the guys handling this store, Speed Trail Cycle Center. I'm sure you've heard of it. We used to be called Newton Multi-Sales, but we changed the name. It's been almost 2 years now, actually. So,
Actually, itong si Speed Trail, bata pa ako. Bata pa ako. Speed Trail na siya. Iba ano siya. Nandun sila sa Del Monte, di ba?
Del Monte Avenue.
Oo. Bike ko pa nun, jumper pa bike ko nun. Pero sila na nagmamanage nun. Sir, kumusta? Anong naisipan? Bakit kayo lumipat sa mas...
Well, first of all, it's like we've been there for mga, let's see, since the 80s. So before I was born pa nga, like 30 to 40 years.
No?
Yeah, no, since started by my parents and yung aunt ko. Dyan na sila, you know. And then we would get our own place, our own lot, this location here, yung property namin, just a while back. And then they said, you know, build na tayo ng bike shop dito.
Bike shop.
Yeah, so we don't have to keep renting that old one.
Yeah, tama.
And it's been, because as you can see, it's been like 30 to 40 years. Dalawang beses na siya na flood.
Talaga.
Yeah,
pero that time, anong pangalan ng bike shop na yun that time?
Newton Multi-Sales, yeah.
Newton, no? Newton talaga kasi sila doon sa kabila. Tapos, nag-transfer sila dito. At nabalitaan ko na lang yun, nung nag-transfer na sila dito. Anong nag-motivate sa inyo? Bakit kayo lumipat sa mas malaki? Or
yan nga. Sometimes you just want, you know, a much bigger place. This is a much nicer place pa.
Okay.
And then how would you say it? Less prone to baha and everything.
Yeah,
also we own this place. So so
and
you know, it's just.
Who came up the idea na mag-change kayo ng name?
I came up with my parents and yung pinsan ko.
Talaga si Pinsan talaga yung isa sa nagmamanage din talaga. Katulong mo nagmamanage.
Both of us. We've been handling all of the we're handling most of the day-to-day operations na and everything. So syempre yung dad ko pa rin yung owner, pero as you can see, it's important na we have to be here, na hands-on tayo sa bike shop.
Hands-on talaga dapat. So, Sir Willard, tanong ko lang, kasi usually, mga bike shop, ano ba yung ino-offer ni Speed Trail na hindi common, na ino-offer gaya ng ibang bike shop? Ano ba yung karaniwang ino-offer na hindi mo makikita sa ibang bike shop?
Well, first of all of the brands that we have here have been they built the trust over the years.
Yes.
Because they've always treated us well and we've always treated them well. So that reciprocal relationship leads to what people say na lahat ng brands na kinikerry ng Speed Trail Cycle Center by the Ong family, the Tan family, all of those, you can trust them. So especially when you're cycling, and especially when you're cycling, the last thing you want to worry about is the quality of your equipment.
Yes, of course.
Yeah. So we import brands from Japan,
wow.
Europe, which is the lifestyle that we want to copy, diba? And, China, Taiwan, all of those, and every single one of them has their own merits. Pero we've never had any major problems with them. Na alam mo, like a mass failure or anything that might be common with other like cheaper brands or something.
Okay.
So we want to be na if you come to us, may peace of mind ka, which is that's worth more than
kasi
any money.
karaniwan lahat na yata ng mga bisikleta niyo may mga warranty, right?
Yeah.
So, meron kayong exclusive ba, Sir Willard, na binibenta na brand lang, exclusive lang na dito lang sa inyo makakukuha?
Yan so di lang kami nagbebenta ng how do I say it, but we're the distributor kasi. So it's not just our bike shop that's carry.
Yun ang isa sa kaibahan nyo rin. Na bukod sa bike shop kayo, nagdi-distribute din kayo, no? Hindi lang more on retail.
That's what we do. Is na mainly yung mga brands namin dito. Yeah, sure may sarili kaming bike shop, pero also na we cannot be everywhere in the Philippines, and then the Philippines is 7,000 plus islands, diba? And then each of them may sarili silang community. So the bike shop owner in that community will know that community more than we ever could, diba? So it's better na we have our own network of dealers na they know their own community, what their own needs are. Sila mag-order from us what items that we carry.
So ibig sabihin, lahat ng mga nakikita natin
so all
dito,
the items we have here,
lahat dito, mga tires, mga helmet, mga
tires, helmets, bikes, wheels, and
mga ilaw,
accessories, computers, all of those.
Ano ba yung mga genre ng bike na kinikerry ni Speed Trail? Like halimbawa, meron ba kayong mga road bike pa?
Yung mga popular ones, right? Road bike, mountain bike,
gravel bike.
Yan.
Okay, meron din ba kayong mga kinikerry dito ng mga full suspension, mga ganun?
Full suspension, yan kasas mountain bike. There's full suspension mountain bike and full suspension, yung mga carbon pa nga meron.
Talaga?
Kung mahilig ka mag-XC.
Actually, naka-XC din ako ngayon. XC, before nag-XC ako, tapos ngayon nag-Crit XC ako. So, ano yung particular brand na karaniwan na mas may present mo sa kanila na ito, the best talaga tong brand na to, na kinikerry ni Speed Trail?
Well, the one that relates to us most is Continental, yung tires.
Sa tires, okay. Pagdating naman sa bike frame or sa mismong bike, like gravel bike, road bike, ano yung particular brand na karaniwan mong...
We're proud to say Orbea.
Orbea. Napopost ko lang yung Orbea, napakaganda yung Terra, gusto ko yun.
Telling you, get your own na nga
Wala tayo. Sasanlaw mo na tong kidney ko. Pwede ko muna isanla tong kidney ko bago ako makabili ng Orbea na Terra na yun. Kasi kung mapapansin nyo, pinakita ko kanina, yung mga road bike nila dito, isa yun sa mga candidate, actually mga one of participant sa mga race pagdating sa ibang bansa. So, makakasiguro ka na UCI, talagang quality yung bike. At the same time, engineered talaga na ginawa for race. Tama, sir? Na road bike, di ba?
Not just for racing kasi Orbea is the big brand of bicycles from Spain. They are the depending on the way you see it, they are the oldest or the second oldest bicycle manufacturing company in history. So, gumagawa sila ng bikes. It's a very serious business for them.
Bakit ba, tanong ko lang, Sir Willard, bakit ba hindi maingay si Orbea?
Like hindi maingay survey. Well, yeah,
Hindi maingay sa
that's number one issue. That's number one issue. Yeah, yung presyo, and also they're on, they get all of the bikes you see from Orbea. It's made directly in Spain. Okay, yung mga major parts. Maybe some components are made in Asia, pero generally, if you get something from Orbea, yeah, it's European parts, and then to get the it's European made, sorry, and then to get the items here, yeah, it takes a few months for the items.
You think dahil siguro yung Orbea kaya hindi siya ganun kaingay sa market, not unlike dun sa mga karaniwan. Alam naman natin mga karaniwang maiingay na road bike, maiingay na brand. It's just that wala kasing nagki-carry mismo na store, or wala silang what do you call this?
Flagship? Or...
flagship store mismo. Halimbawa, eto, pag nakita tong store na to, yung Orbea store, parang ganon.
Yeah.
Walang ganon. Wala kasi silang ganon no? Ayun ang isa sa siguro karaniwan na nagkakaroon ng problema sa market dahil hindi na ima-market yung mismong Orbea, or siguro dahil sa prestige niya, kaya siguro yung iba na-i-intimidate sa Orbea. Karaniwan yan.
That's the thing. Yeah. When it's very nice to say na this is we can confidently say na this is the very best quality you could get, if not one of the best, if not the best. Pero with that comes a certain reputation, diba? Not everyone wants to get this. Some people start out sila ng bike, they have a certain budget in mind. Nag-isip nila, do I ride a lot? Do I ride enough? Do I invest enough into this lifestyle to get something that good for myself? Okay. And then yung mga mindset mga here ng mga tao like us here in the Philippines is that sometimes it's not worth it, pero we're trying to see na we're trying to show na di lang naman kailangan mura hinahanap po. Yung it might not be that price is the number one priority when it comes to getting any bike, diba?
Especially dito sa Philippines. Sa Philippines kasi medyo conservative yung mga tao dito pagdating sa presyo, di ba? So ano yung Sir Willard? Ano yung kaibahan, or kung meron man, kaibahan ni Orbea na kinikerry nyo sa ibang bike na halos yung price range niya is hindi naman nagkakalayo? Ano yung may papangako mo? Since ikaw na Orbea na road bike ka, di ba? Ano yung tingin mo kaibahan? Tingin ko
kaibahan. Well, from what I've seen, everyone who looks at it, they see that you're riding one of those. Immediately, tataas yung status mo sa mukha nila. Everyone I've seen is like, I can humbly, I'm not even exaggerating, sabihin ko na like compared to everyone like ilang years na sila nagsa-cycle, mahina pa ako, di ba? I'm trying to get better. That takes a lot of training, a lot of dedication. Pero nakita nila the quality of my equipment, sabi na ang ganda ng Orbea mo. And sabi, thank you. Mas friendly sila, makita nila, this guy takes care of his stuff, this guy knows his stuff.
Okay. So isa rin siguro yun, yung tinatawag din ng siyempre, pag medyo maganda yung bike mo, nasa social status ka pa rin. Talagang makikita yung status ng pagbibisikleta mo, na hindi ka basta-basta gagamit ng bisikleta na kung ano lang, di ba? Since gusto mo lang So, since pala, si Orbea pala, mga master, ang sa akin kasi nakita ko, napaka-conservative kasi ni Orbea when it comes sa design, when it comes sa geometry, when it comes sa handling, when it comes sa material itself. Gaya ng pinakita ko sa inyo sa video natin sa TikTok, tsaka sa Facebook, tsaka sa YouTube channel natin, makikita nyo na, iba talaga siya. Hindi siya pangkaraniwan din. Although, siguro, para sa mga iba na nakikita nyo, pangkaraniwang geometry, pangkaraniwan na road bike, but sa mga nakakaintindi, sa mga nakakaalam, si Orbea mismo is one of a kind din talaga. So, hindi mo siya pwedeng sabihin na, si Orbea lang pala. No. Si Orbea is si Orbea. Orbea is one of the best. Hindi man siya the best, one of the best. Gaya ng mga leading brands na nakikita nyo na tumatakbo ngayon sa market.
Go ahead and say it naman, all of the European brands ganyan, like Pinarello, Colnago.
Actually, ayoko nga sabihin sana. Kasi hanggang maaari, baka kasi mamaya, kasi may mga fan ni Pinarello, may mga fan ni Colnago, di ba? So,
no, you can.
Si Sir naman nagsabi mismo.
They're all they're right there on that level. It's a certain club. Now, once you've built up enough prestige, dyan ka na. Okay. If you watch professional men's cycling na yung gumagamit nito, sabi, yep, they have their pro team, they have their own tours, they have their own factory. Pretty much every European brand of bicycle manufacturers, they have that status talaga.
Actually, yung status talaga, ako kasi, especially ako kapag nakakakita ako ng mga naka-road bike na Pinarello, Colnago, siguro, sawa sa pera to. Alam mo yung mga ganong siguro napakarami yung pera nito. Alam mo yung mga ganon, especially yung mga yung mga talagang latest model ni Colnago, latest model ni Pinarello.
Yeah. When it comes to in the cycling community, trends move very fast, diba? Something that's hot this year will not be hot next year.
Pero kung ikaw papipiliin, sir, na-try mo mag-MTB?
Dati meron ako MTB, pero I was a bit shorter back then. So
gravel bike, try mo yung
gravel bike a few times.
A few times.
Di na not as much my road bike, pero like
pero
enough to know the feel, diba?
Ngayon road bike gamit mo.
Road bike lang ginagamit ko. Kasi this is something na I'm proud of doing myself kasi how to say it? I bought it myself. Yan nga.
Wow.
I'm sure you know the feeling. I bought this myself. I can be proud in it.
Oo naman talaga. Ayun. Sir, maraming salamat sa iyo. Bilang pagtatapos, sir, ano ba yung pwede mong sabihin sa Orbea na pwede mo sabihin sa mga kaibigan natin, sa mga master natin na mamamotivate sila or pag-iipunan nila yung Orbea? Ano yung pwede mong ano tawag doon? Parang ipanghumaling sa kanila. Alam mo yung gano'n?
Yeah, if you just need the push, let this see the push na Orbea will treat you well, will also treat you well. Okay, it's in anybody can sell you a bike for just the smallest for the smallest price and call it a day, diba? For kami, di lang kami ganyan. We also have to worry about after sales service. Okay. Think about this one. If something happens that you need your bike to be repaired, and then you just bought your bike from anywhere. You just buy from people who don't care about you. Yeah. Okay. Factor that into your cost analysis.
Yeah. When do you say na kayo yung bahala sa kanila? Pag halimbawa bumili ba ako ng Orbea dito, ano yung assurance ko na pagka nagka-problema yung Orbea ko, biglang-bigla nabasag siya, biglang-bigla nagka-ride ako may nabali, or biglang-bigla may pumutok. Ano yung assurance nun?
Ganyan lang. If you buy an Orbea bike, each frame has its own serial number.
Wow,
if you register yours, if you register that as yours on their website, you can claim warranty for in case of any damages. When you file the report, they'll investigate it. Either you and then in a case-by-case basis, sometimes you'll get a replacement. Sometimes you'll get a massive discount for your next order, something like that. And then it will last. The period lasts from depending if it takes years or lifetime. Ganyan, depends on what you get. Ang comprehensive ng warranty policy nila, I'll study it for you. Don't worry.
Okay, no problem. Tapos sir, lastly, siguro. Sino ba sa mga yung gumagamit ng Orbea sa mga karaniwan natin ng mga Tour de France?
Let's see, starting from 2 years ago, they got Team Lotto Destiny.
Okay.
I think Lotto Destiny, they used to ride, I think it was Bianchi. Pero then
si Bianchi yung ano nun.
Yeah, pero 2 to 3 years ago, they switched to Orbea, and then let's see who's their best rider. I think his name Arnaud Deli. Yan yung pangalan niya. And this year's Tour de France, they have one stage win. I think his name was Victor Campanarts. I think something like that.
Ayun na mga master. So, nalinawan na kayo. Lumipat na sila dito. Sir, baka meron ka pang gusto sabihin sa kanila.
Yeah, sure. Our new address is 18 Miller Avenue dito sa 18 Miller Street dito sa Barangay Bungad. malapit lang sa Eurotech showroom.
Yes. Project 7, Quezon City. Tama? Project 7 pa rin naman to, di ba?
Yeah, Project 7 Quezon City. It's not that far from our old location, but this place is, no, this street is a lot, the road quality is better for cyclists.
Yes, napakarami, napakalaki ng parking, napakalawak ng area.
Yeah,
tapos,
the
hindi
park.
pa tapos to, di ba? Hindi pa tapos.
A bit of a work in progress. You see the skeleton here. Now it's just and now it's just the fine details. Yeah. Okay. So yeah, mas maganda yung parking namin dito. It's less prone to flooding.
Tsaka ang lamig. Ang sarap dito.
Yeah, and we have so much space. You won't feel cramped at all to show all of the nice things that we have.
Kasi last time din sa kabila sa Newton, medyo masikip eh, hindi ka pwedeng makapasok talaga sa ano ka lang, sa stante ka lang, Ito, dito talagang napakaraming upuan, napakaganda ng ambience, napakalamig, wala kang problema sa parking. Kasi wala kang ganong parking doon.
We're open Monday to Saturday. Drop by anytime. Tell them Papa Jack sent you.
Hoy! Okay, pinapunta kayo ni Papa Jack, sigurado. Kahit di naman kayo pinapunta ni Papa Jack, napaka-welcoming naman nila. Napaka-approachable naman lahat ng mga tao din dito. Wala lang sila dito ngayon. Kung napansin niyo, pumasok ako kasi nasa office sila, bigla sila nagtago. Ayun, anyway, maraming salamat, Sir Willard. Maraming salamat. Thank you. Ayun, mga master. So, sana nagustuhan niyo itong bike shop flex natin. Bike shop flex ni Papa Jack. Ayun, maraming salamat. Palaging tandaan, mahirapan pero hindi susuko. Ako po si Papa Jack at siya po si
Willard.
Palaging tandaan din, humingi sa Diyos ng gabay sa ating paglalakbay. Ciao. Thank you, Sir Willard. Maraming salamat.